What's up guys, today we're doing a full paint correction and DIY ceramic coating on my personal car, a 2015 Subaru WRX. My car's been neglected as of late. It's been sitting under a tree and getting all dusty, so before we can do any kind of paint correction, we need to get all this stuff off the surface. Looking around the car, there's also a ton of brake dust on the wheels and caked on dirt everywhere. It may not look like that on camera from afar, but when you take a closer look, you can see how filthy the car is. And it's baked on there too. For some reason, local pigeons seem to love using my carbon fiber spoiler as a landing zone for their cargo. These yellow dots can be found on just about every panel, and after a little time on Google, I came to find out that's bee poop. I have no idea why there's so much on my car, but the bees really seem to love it. Time to get this thing cleaned up. As usual, I'm starting with the wheels first. Using a specific wheel cleaner will make the brake dust practically melt off. I like to use this Eagle One product. Afterwards, I'll use my foam cannon to spray soap in any hard to reach areas and wipe it with the microfiber wash mitt. While I'm rinsing the car, I make sure to hit the door jambs, the trunk area, and under the gas cap. I'll take this opportunity to clean up the inside a little bit and rinse off the rubber floor mats. After the car is washed, it's time to remove any leftover contaminants with the clay bar. I like to use a good car wash soap while doing this. Working small sections will get the best results. Check out how much junk was stuck to this clear coat. Now that the paint is decontaminated, I'll get it dried off and the car is like a blank canvas to do some buffing magic. I typically like to mask off any plastic or rubber trim when working with compounds and waxes. If compound liquid gets on any of those areas, it'll typically turn white. Although ceramic coating can be applied to some plastic trims with amazing results. Alright, taking a look around the car, there's a ton of water spotting as well as small scratches on the hood to take care of. Other areas have large scratches like this that won't necessarily buff out, but it can sort of be hidden. Now that the first stage is done and the car has been compounded, I'll use a finishing pad, an M205, to get the car really reflective before protecting the finish. Let's focus in on this scratch right here and see if my compound and pad combination can get it out. Moment of truth. And it looks like it came right out. Before applying the coating, it's highly recommended to wipe down your car with IPA, like this store-bought rubbing alcohol. With the prep work done, let's pop open a box of this ceramic coating. If you're unfamiliar with Avalon King, this is one of the best DIY ceramic coating options out there. It's affordable and comes with the basic supplies you need to install the coating. I dripped several drops on the cloth and lightly rubbed it on the paint in a crosshatch pattern, first side to side, then up and down. After a few minutes, the excess is ready to be wiped off. As long as you work one panel at a time and don't miss spots when you're wiping it off, it's a walk in the park. This specific coating can be applied on plastic trim, and it's an absolute game changer when it comes to turning trim black for long. It's also good to use on glass and wheels, although I didn't end up doing that on this detail. Alright, enough talking, let's check out this Subi. As you guys can see, the results speak for themselves. It's about 4 months later, and the coating is still beating water like the day I applied it. If you want to see an update video, comment below. But for now, thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Peace.